he preferred to join SRM University. But his parents were not happy. His father was not at all happy. He said, what is this? You are getting admission in IIT and you don't want to join there and you want to join SRM University? This was his comment at the time of joining. Now, after this SRM satellite was launched, when his contributions was praised by everybody in the country, when he came onto the media and all that time his father says, well, the decision taken, my son, is the right. It's good that he didn't join IIT. This was the statement of the parent. So you are in that status. If you have to go to that level, you have to work hard, you have to learn your subject, you should innovate and try to contribute. You have all the opportunities here. So now, to becoming an engineer of your branch, to contribute, you have everything. Apart from that, as pointed out by our Pro-Vice Chancellor, we have a lot of opportunities for you to study abroad. Every one of you can go for 1 semester abroad for your studies. And every one of you can get placed in the MNC's companies. But does it come on its own? You have to prepare for that. You have to earn credits. You have to study well. You should go to the top. Only when you do well, you will have those opportunities. Those who are sent abroad for a semester abroad program, they are selected based on their merit. And those who are employed by the industries, they select the best students, best in academic, best in all-round characters. So you have to make yourself, you have to equip yourself to avoid these opportunities. Now, I want to advise all of you one very simple thing. See, studying well, it's not a big thing. See, what is intelligence? No intelligence are born. Intelligence are made. Intelligence is defined as 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. You have to sweat, you have to work hard, then you acquire knowledge, then you become intelligent. So, to become an intelligent, you have to work hard. If you work hard, you will become intelligent and you will earn all credentials to achieve everything. Now, to achieve what you want, to work hard, you have to attend the classes regularly. See, in fact, now, many a time, the students, at the end of the semester after the examination, or even before the examination, when there are cases, they do not have adequate attendance for taking the final examination. There are certain minimum requirements for getting promoted to the next semester. You have to earn certain minimum credits in every semester. The first semester, second semester, you have to earn 14 credits and so. And then you have to have minimum 75% attendance. Well, there are natural calamities. We may fall ill. So for that we provide 10% cushion in the attendance. So 68% with medical disease you can go. Now what happens? Many of the students, what they do, okay, the whole semester, they calculate 75% attendance, 20% I can take off and they enjoy. In the process, out of 70%, they fall ill and they meet the accident and they lose attendance. Finally, nobody is able to help them. If you do not have the attendance, you will not be allowed to go to the examination. If you are not allowed to go to the examination, you will not be allowed to go to the next semester. So this is how you lose your career. So my dear students, please be aware of the minimum requirements of your attendance and the credit earning. See, passing a subject is not at all difficult. If you are regular to your classwork, if you get your doubts clarified every time, and if you are sincere in your studies, nobody will fail. There is no reason for anybody to fail. So what is required is be sincere, be regular, and try to keep your goal before your eyes. What you want to become of. You can become of anything if you want. If you desire that the achievement, the goal is yours. So my dear students, you have come to an excellent university with all facilities available here, and it is up to you to make use of them. I used to tell the freshers in every year, I want to tell that to you also. See, you have excellent facilities here and also beautiful places, and in and around Madras there are a lot of places for enjoyment. Now, these 4 years, see, you all have come from the school. Maybe, for earning good marks in the plus 2 examination, you all would have been studying hard and losing your chances to see TV and other things. So now you have come to the university as a free bird. So now you all are thinking that, well, let me enjoy. Well, my chancellor will say that no, let them enjoy. But at the same time, enjoy with a purpose. Concentrate on your education. Now, these 4 years, if you work hard and enjoy your studies and earn good credits, you will have all credentials to earn. And these 4 years you suffer, you can be very happy throughout your life. But if you don't want to enjoy your studies, if you want to enjoy otherwise, these 4 years, then the whole life you have to suffer. So this option is yours. Either study hard, work hard, and earn a good career these 4 years, or enjoy and lose the whole year. The choice is yours. We from SR University provide excellent facilities, faculties, laboratories, libraries, as told to you already. So my dear students, you are all, I welcome all of you to this great institution to earn a good career. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now we'll have the introduction of all the directors, deans and HODs. To do the honors, it's our registrar, who is the driving force of our university.
Good morning to everyone. Honorable Chancellor, respected Vice Chancellor, Pro-Chancellors, and my colleagues on the dais, parents, my dear students. Indeed, it is my proud pleasure to introduce my learned directors and deans. Dr. Ponnuswamy, Controller of Examination, SRM University. Dr. Muttamil Selvan, Director Engineering Technology. Dr. Balasubramanian, Director Science and Humanities. Professor Venkatramani, Director Campus Life. For any issues in the campus relating to hostel, please contact Director Dr. Venkatramani. Dr. P.K. Munisuran, Director of Sports and OFD. Mrs. Anuradha Pathak, Director, Student Affairs. Dr. V. Narayan Rao, Director, Research. Dr. K. Mohan, ITKM. Dr. T.V. Gopal, International Affairs. Professor A.N. Parameswaran, IIIC, Industrial Interaction Cell. Dr. S.V. Kasmi Raja, Dean Research. Professor S. Ganapati, Dean Placement. Dr. D. Kingsley Jabasingh, Dean Mechanical Engineering. Dr. S. Malaruli, Dean ECA, Electronics and Communication Engineering. Dr. Jayasri Suresh, Dean Management Studies. I am going to introduce the heads of the department. Dr. Linus J. Martin, Head of the Department of Automobile Engineering. Dr. B.K. Vinayagam, Mechatronics. Dr. E. Puvammal, Computer Science Engineering. Dr. Subbarayan, MCA. Professor S. Rajendran, Information Technology. Dr. Wahida Hooper, Bioinformatics. Dr. T. Ramarao, Telecom Engineering. Dr. A. Vimala Juliet, ICE Department. Dr. A. K. Jayanti, E&I Department. Dr. M. Anburajan, Biomedical Engineering. Dr. M. P. Rajesh, Chemical Engineering. Dr. Meingana Lachimi, Biotechnology. Dr. K. Ganesan, Department of Mathematics. Dr. Anbalagan, Department of English. Dr. John Thiruvadigal, Department of Physics. Dr. Kamaraj, Department of Chemistry. Professor M. Tirumeni, Department of Architecture Engineering. Mrs. T. Maithili, Career Development Cell. Dr. S. S. Das, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Thank you.
Now we invite parents who would like to share some thoughts with all of us here.
The respected Chancellor, the Pro-Chancellors and the Registrar and all the learned faculty members who are on the dais and off the dais. It's indeed a privilege to be here, and it's a happiest moment because my son is admitted, as Chancellor was mentioning, everything is taken care in the university. I would like to quote the saying, anything well begun is half done. So I strongly believe that we have all here, this almost half done in the career of the wards, the sons and the daughters of the parents assembled here. On behalf of the parents, I would like to compliment all the faculties for organizing such a wonderful Freshers Day meeting and also giving us all the confidence that the wards are all in safe hands, because as parents, we have done half, starting from the 10th standard and the 12th standard, we have done the exams along with them and made them to join this university. I sincerely thank all of us on the dais for giving me this opportunity, and also a special round of applause for the seniors who welcomed us with flowers. Please give us put your hands together and give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Anybody else?
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் திருவண்ணாமலையிலிருந்து கோரான்னு சொல்லி ஒரு தொண்டு நிறுவனத்திலிருந்து வரேன். இந்த எஸ்ஆர்எம் யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்கு நாங்கள் ரொம்ப நன்றி கடன் பட்டிருக்கிறோம். 2006 வந்து சான்சலர் சாரை பார்த்து நான் இந்த இப்போ யூனிவர்சிட்டி பில்டிங்க்கு நின்று அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு ஃப்ரீ சீட் வேணும்னு சொல்லி கேட்டேன். என்கிட்ட ஒரு 5 நிமிஷம் பேசினார். அவருக்கு என்ன ஞாபகம் இருக்கா என்னன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. நாங்கள் வந்து ஹெச்ஐவி எய்ட்ஸால் பாதிக்கப்பட்ட பிள்ளைகள், அனாதை பிள்ளைகளை வச்சு நாங்கள் பராமரிச்சுட்ருக்குறோம். அதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அனாதை பிள்ளைகளுக்கும் புவர் சில்ட்ரனுக்கும் நாங்கள் இந்த ஹையர் ஸ்டடீஸ் வந்து காலேஜில் ஃப்ரீயாக வாங்கி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். 2006 இந்த வருடம் வரைக்கும் நாங்கள் கேட்ட எல்லா விதமான கோர்ஸுமே எங்களுக்கு ஃபுல் ஃப்ரீ பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க. அதனால் இந்த நிறுவனத்துக்கு நாங்கள் முதல்ல நன்றி கடன் பட்டிருக்கிறோம். இது வரையில் வந்து இந்த பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு இதுதான் தரணும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு இது இல்லாமல் எல்லா கோர்ஸுமே எங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. பிஎஸ்சி நர்சிங், என்ஜினியரிங், ஆர்ட்ஸ் குரூப், பிஎட் எல்லாமே கொடுத்து எங்கள் பிள்ளைங்க படித்து நிறைய பேர் வந்து வேலைக்கு போய் பயனடைந்திருக்காங்க அந்த நிறுவனம் மூலமாக. இன்னும் இந்த வருடமும் ஒரு என்ஜினியரிங் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க, ஒரு எம்சிஏ. இப்படி வருடம் நாங்கள் கேட்குறதுக்கு எல்லா கோர்ஸையும் கொடுத்து எங்களோட பிள்ளைகள் மேலோங்கி வர்றதுக்கு வந்து இந்த நிறுவனம் ரொம்ப உதவியாக இருக்கிறது. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் எல்லா லெவலில் இருக்கிறவங்க நாங்கள் ரெகுலராக வந்து நாங்கள் ஒருத்தரையும் பார்த்து எல்லா டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வைஸ் நாங்கள் பேசுகிறோம். சான்சலர் மட்டும் இல்லாமல் தொடர்ந்து ஒரு லெவலில் இருக்கிற அனைத்து பணியாளர்களும் எங்களை வந்து நாங்கள் ஃப்ரீ சீட்டில் இருக்கிறோன்றதை வந்து பொருட்படுத்தாமல் சரியான நேரத்தில் எங்களை பார்த்து எங்களோட தேவைகளை சந்தித்து எங்களுக்கு உதவி செய்கிறாங்க. நாங்கள் வந்து அனுராதா மேடத்தை பார்த்து தான் எப்பயும் நான் பேசுவேன். எப்போ வந்தாலும் அவங்களோட கனிவான பேச்சு பர்சனலாகவும் எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஆறுதலாகவும் இருக்கும். எங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும், நாங்கள் எந்த நேரத்தில் எந்த கால் பண்ணாலும் அட்டன் பண்ணி எங்களோட எல்லா காரியங்களையும் இந்த பிள்ளைங்க ஃப்ரீ சீட்டில் இருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்றத யோசிக்காமல் எல்லா காரியங்களும் எல்லா லெவலில் இருக்கிற பணியாளர்களும் எங்களுக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருந்து உதவி செய்தாங்க. இதனால் நாங்கள் வந்து இந்த நிறுவனம் இன்னும் மேலோங்கி வளரணுன்றதை சொல்லி நாங்கள் எங்களோட இறைவனை நாங்கள் வேண்டிக் கொள்கிறோம். இன்னும் தொடர்ந்து எங்களுடைய பிள்ளைகள் இவங்களுக்கு நன்றி சொல்ல கடமைப்பட்டுக்கிறாங்க. தொடர்ந்து எங்களுக்கு நிறைய உதவிகள் அவங்க செய்கிறாங்க. அதனால் இந்த நிறுவனம் வளரவும் அனைத்து பணியாளர்களுக்கும் சான்சலர் மற்றும் பிரசிடென்ட் அனைவருக்கும் எங்களுடைய நன்றியினை தெரிவித்து முடித்துக்கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, dignitaries present over here. My name is Asma Banu, and my son's name is Mohammad Zishan, fresher in this, as other students are sitting over here. He has selected mechanical engineering. As far as coming to Chennai and getting admitted to SRM University, it has been something like a dream come true for my son. He was very much determined about getting admission over here. When it came to all the examinations, the entrance examinations that he was supposed to appear, he took it very leniently, but the only thing he concentrated was SRM. So you can imagine, if a person, a child who is so determined to come to SRM University at that age, he must have done quite a lot of research. In fact, I was not the one who was doing the research, it was him who was doing the research, and he was determined that no, I don't want to go anywhere else, I want to go to SRM. And that is what he got, and that is what in the first round he came over here, he was selected and he got the admission. And you wouldn't imagine the kind of happiness